Hey everyone! Welcome back to Englistico. Today you'll learn real English sentences you can use at the airport, from check-in to boarding. Let's get started. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay?
Great. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is A12.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
You too.
Please put your bag and phone in the tray.
All right.
Take off your belt and shoes, please.
Okay, no problem.
You're good to go.
Thanks.
Passengers for Flight 203 to London, please proceed to Gate 7.
Excuse me, is this the line for Flight 203?
Yes, please have your boarding pass ready.
Here it is.
Thank you. You may board now.
Thanks.
Now you can talk confidently at the airport. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Englistico for more real English speaking lessons.